Okay folks, I have the hose pipe connected over there. This one will go in at the back. Yep. Now I'm already made a video where I was very disappointed with the product and blah blah because I didn't do one very important thing, which was switch it on. So let's make sure we switch it on this time. Okay. Switched on, and I think it says run the water first. Yep. For some reason mine just keeps doing that. Okay. Okay. Now let's try it with our normal one. I shouldn't be doing that because it can be dangerous once you switch it on. That's when it's on. Wow, that has some pressure. That has some crazy pressure. Let's try soft. Soft is not very impressive, but that hard one, let's see what we can try and clean. Let's try and clean this. So you can see okay, let's give you another example. That is really good for that. Now this goes upwards. Let's try the Vario. Vario is meant to be much more powerful. Wow. Don't know. That is crazy. Okay. So I'm just gonna lay this here, get everything prepped, and then we'll do a time lapse. So with this attachment, it's doing a good job, but it's not taking out the inside bits of weed and moss. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the other one. I prefer that one. I use this one for the car. Okay folks, hopefully you watched the time lapse of all this. All I can say is it does a great job, but it sprays a lot of stuff, as you will see in the time lapse. All that. And also all that filler sand which was in the middle, it's all on me. install on my decking, which I usually oil every 6 months. So kind of created more work for me. But the pavers look amazing. Next one will be the car wash. See you then.